How to add music to WhatsApp status. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To add the music to your WhatsApp status, firstly ensure your WhatsApp application is up to date. Now to post the status, tap on the Update tab. Right at the top you will see the option of status. Click on My Status. So right here, as you can see, there are two of the option, that is video and photo. So what you actually have to do is you can upload a music video or a lyrical video in your WhatsApp status. Now, if I select on this particular video, this means the music will be added from this particular video as a music status in my WhatsApp. You can add a caption regarding it, and if you want to do necessary edit, you can tap on this setting option. Once done, you can tap on the send button right here. Now once uploaded, it will be visible something like this. Through the video, you can upload or listen to the music in your WhatsApp status. Let's go ahead and check it out. So not only you can add the music, but you can also add the music video in it. Hopefully you found it informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.